Okay, hello. Welcome to the video presentation of construction equipment productivity software. So what is it? It is basically a calculator that will help you estimate the productivity of construction equipment unit based on the machine's parameters and the parameters of the construction site. So for example, if you need to estimate the work time to excavate a certain amount of soil, or perhaps you need to estimate the number of mixer trucks you need to finish some concreting. This is a tool for you. It's intended for construction companies, site engineers, construction managers, or planning engineers who needs to estimate the work time or number of machines needed for a certain kind of a construction job. So let's start with the presentation. As you can see, this is the main window. It shows up when we start the program. On the left side, we see the title of the construction site that we need to type in. So let's say building number 1. And under that is the checkbox subunit. We can type in the name of the subunit, or we can leave it blank if we want. So let's just type in foundation. Under that, it's the box where we choose the type of work. So we can choose earthworks, concrete works, or road works. So well, let's start with earthworks and move on to the right hand side. Now here we have the work conditions of a construction site that we need to fill out. We do not have to fill out each one of those, but the more we fill out, the more accurate the calculation will be. So we just will start by filling out some of these, and all right, let's say that's enough, and we'll move on to the next step, which is the selection of the machines. So we'll click on this button here and move on to the list of machinery. Now this is the list where we will have our machines. The first column is the name of the machine and its model. The second column is the productivity that is calculated. Then we have the work time that we have scheduled for the operation, the quantity we need to do, and the work time that is calculated based on the productivity and the quantity. And in the end, we have the number. We have the calculation of the number of the units we need to finish the job with the work time scheduled. So this is the overview. In our next video, we'll show you how to select an excavator and a dump truck. Until then, see you and bye.